attack, and as you know, it's part of the annexation of the entire Jordan Valley. So what do you have to say?
The Council of the Patriarchs and the heads of the churches calls for these radicals to be held accountable by the Israeli authorities, who actually facilitate and enable their presence around Taipei. Even in times of war, holy sites must be protected. We call for an immediate and transparent investigation on why the Israeli police did not respond to emergency calls from the local community, and why these abhorrent actions continue to go unpunished. The attacks by the hands of settlers against our community, who is living in peace, must stop, both here in Taipei and elsewhere throughout the West Bank.
We sent an official letter to Kogat, an official letter to the authorities, Israeli authorities, in order to complain and to denounce what happened. I think it's important, the first thing we have to do. No reply yet, but we'll keep insisting evangelically in all the opportunities, and also what is not opportune to do, we will do, relentless, in order to raise our voice and to be heard, and at least to find, to get an answer about this situation. This is all what we are doing, and of course we will be close to the village and to follow also to the media in order to keep the attention very high.